Russian icebreakers find columns of bubbles rising from the Arctic seafloor. East Siberian Arctic Shelf, the shallowest continental shelf on Earth. Methane is leaving the sediment, entering the water column. The 2010 Shakhova survey counted 100 plumes. By 2024, the count exceeded 1,400. The trend is non-linear. Each survey finds more. 50 gigatonnes of methane is locked in the shelf sediment. 1% release equals 50 years of global CO2 emissions. The release is happening right now. The bubbles reach your atmosphere. Soviet permafrost maps showed it as stable. NOAA admits it is destabilizing. NOAA admits the timeline cannot be predicted. You breathe this air right now. The vault stays open.